Do you know your Casio fx-991 ES Plus calculator can solve Newton-Raphson problems in seconds? Let's see how to do it step by step. We want to solve fx is equal to x cube minus x minus 1 equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method. Starting with an initial guess x naught is equal to 1. For this, recall Newton-Raphson method is an iterative method which uses previous value to calculate the next value. That is, xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f at xn divided by f dash at xn. It is better to represent the solution in tabular form. Now let us see how we can solve this problem using our Casio fx-991 ES Plus calculator. As we need to start with x naught is equal to 1, so we will store 1 in variable a of the calculator, and this can be done by pressing 1 and then shift store a. This stores value 1 in variable a. Next we need the value of f at this a, that is x cube minus x minus 1 at a. This can be done by recalling the value of a by pressing alpha a and then cube minus alpha a minus 1. Now I am going to store this value in variable b. This can be done by pressing shift store b. Here you can see the value of f at a is minus 1 and it is stored in b. Next we need f dash at this a, that is 3x square minus 1 at a, and this can be done by 3 alpha a square minus 1. Now I am going to store this value directly in C. This can be done by pressing shift store C. So the value of f dash at A is 2 and it is stored in C. Now we can compute next iteration value, which is xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. Now because xn is stored in A, f of xn in B and f dash of xn in C, we can simply press alpha A minus alpha b divided by alpha c. Now we can directly store this new value in a by pressing shift store a. Now you will see the magic of this calculator. The new value is stored in a and already we have typed all the formulas, so we can simply go back by pressing this up arrow. We can go to the formula of f and we can simply press equal to. That gives you the value of f at this a. Now you can simply go back to the formula of f dash and press equal to. That gives you the value of f dash at this a. That means b and c are now updated. So we can simply go back to the main formula of Newton-Raphson and we can simply press equal to. That gives you second iteration value of xn. Now we can repeat the process. We can again go back to the formula of f, press equal to. That gives you f at this new xn. We again go back to the formula of f dash, press equal to. That means b and c are updated. Again we can go back for the next iteration value of xn, press equal to. We can do this for as many iterations as we want, but we are going to stop this process when two consecutive iterations are giving you same value. That's how simple Newton-Raphson is with Casio fx-991 ES Plus. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more calculator tricks. These are additional problems for you. You can cross-check your answer. Thanks for watching the video till the end.